Welcome back, people. In this video, we will see how to install and use Bootstrap library, especially how we will install it into our website. So we have a new folder. Let's go to VS Code. Here we have a new folder called Bootstrap code files, and inside which we have index.html, styles.css, and index.js. So inside index.html, we have the HTML boilerplate and we gave it a title Bootstrap. Below the title, in the head section, we usually add a link to our CSS file. So this is exactly where we are going to add a Bootstrap framework. So we will go to bootstrap.com. Here we will copy the Bootstrap CDN and paste it below the title. So this is the Bootstrap CSS CDN. Copy it, go to the code and paste it below the title. So what is a CDN? CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. It is a geographically distributed network of proxy servers. It helps to improve the performance of your website by delivering static content from servers that are closer to the user. It increases the availability of distributing load across multiple servers and reduces cost and also improves security. Google CDN and Amazon CloudFront are few of the commonly used CDN. So now we have the CDN link below the title. So what it does is that when the browser reads through the code to try and load up the website, it sees the link to the CDN, it goes to the URL mentioned in the CDN and download the bootstrap file if the user doesn't already have it cached on their browser. So this is one of the way of adding CDN to our website. We also have other ways to add Bootstrap to our website. Let's go back to bootstrap.com. Here, if you scroll down, you get start a template. So what we will do is copy this, go to our code, erase all of this and paste the starter template. The starter template has a link to the Bootstrap CDN, link to jQuery, JavaScript, etc. So here you can change the title and H1 as you wish. For some of the Bootstrap to work, you may need JavaScript and jQuery. We have a playlist dedicated for JavaScript as well as jQuery. Take a look at that to understand more about JavaScript and jQuery. So now we have everything you need to start using Bootstrap in your website. So this is what your heading would look like without Bootstrap. But now that we have added the starter template, we will save this first and go to the website, reload. This is how your heading looks like with Bootstrap. Isn't it more appealing? You can always customize the style in a Bootstrap element. So let's go back to the website. You can also download Bootstrap library and include it to your website if you feel like not using a CDN. I will be using CDN throughout this series of videos in order to use Bootstrap. So that is it for this video. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.